Hello friends, now I will show you how you add extension IDM Internet Download Manager in Google Chrome. Now you can see here, then I will go in YouTube, click a video, and there is no download tag here where I add extension in Google Chrome, and you will see a tag here, download your video, and you can easily download this video from here. Now I'm going in my C drive, program files, IDM, and you will see a file named IDMGCEXT, which type of file is CRX file. Now you can go in Google Chrome and please right click here, manage extensions, and you can easily move it here. Oh sorry, go back and you can easily move it here, and now add extension, close it here. Now go in details. Now you can see allow in incognito, please open it. Allow access to file URL S, please OK it. Now I'm going to YouTube, click a video, and you are seeing there is a download this video tag here, and you can easily download this video from here. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks and